as India launched a decisive strike on at least 9 terror infrastructures across Pakistan. The presence of two women officers at the media briefing became a defining moment in the defense narrative. Alongside Foreign Secretary Vikram Misri, Wing Commander Vyomika Singh, and Colonel Sofia Qureshi addressed the press conference we all saw. So, who is Colonel Sofia Qureshi? She's an officer of the Indian Army holding the rank of Lieutenant Colonel. She serves the Signals Corps. In March 2016, she became the first lady officer to ever lead an army contingent at a multinational military exercise. She was chosen from amongst a number of peacekeeping trainers in the country for this honorable task. She has been involved with peacekeeping operations since 2010, and she has had an experience with this kind of duty before as well, when she served in the UN peacekeeping operation in Congo in 2006 as a military observer. She belongs to Gujarat, and her grandfather served in the army as well. Even her father worked in the army as a religious teacher for a few years. She therefore has had a lot of exposure to the army life from the very beginning. Commissioned through the Officers Training Academy in 1999 back home, the lady officers served across various postings in India, including in counter-insurgency areas in signal regiments. She was an active participant of the Operation Parakram on the Punjab border, for which she was even awarded a commendation card by the General Officer Commanding in Chief. She worked in communication during the flood relief operations in the northeast, fetched her and so in sea signal officer in charge commendation card. Who is Wing Commander Vyomika Singh? She pursued her goal by joining the National Cadet Corps and later completed her engineering. She became the first person in her family to join the armed forces. She was commissioned as a helicopter pilot in the Indian Air Force and received a permanent commission in the flying branch on December 18, 2019. Wing Commander Singh has logged more than 2,500 flying hours. She has operated helicopters like the Chetak and Cheetah in some of the toughest terrains, including Jammu and Kashmir and the Northeast. She played a key role in multiple rescue missions. One of the major missions she led was in Arunachal Pradesh in November 2020. These operations were conducted in high altitude, difficult weather, and remote locations where air support is crucial for saving lives. Apart from her operational role, Wing Commander Singh has also participated in high-endurance missions. In 2021, she joined a tri-services all-women mountaineering expedition to Mount Manirang, which stands at 21,650 feet. The effort was recognized by senior defense officials, including the Chief of Air Staff.